guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be teaching you some vocabularies that I think you guys should know. Because there were times when I was watching a few crime shows, crime TV, and all that, and I figured that these terminologies that they used, I presume that most people who didn't study law wouldn't really get their meaning. And I thought, being someone who is semi-fluent in those kind of lingo, I thought I could be the one to teach you guys. So I'm going to be teaching you 5 vocabularies today, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Now, let's not wait any longer and let's get this video started. Number 1, pleading the fifth. So what does pleading the fifth means? Pleading the fifth actually refers to the Fifth Amendment of the American Constitution law. And the Fifth Amendment is meant to prevent you from self-incrimination, which in simpler terms means to prevent you from saying something that makes it sound like you are guilty or involved in a certain crimes. So it basically means that if you hear a question that if you answer, it will make it look very bad for you, you can refuse to answer all the way. In real life though, pleading the fifth is actually just a fancier version of no comment. This is how it's used in real life. So, want to tell me how you passed that syntax exam without even studying for anything? I plead the fifth, bro. And this is how pleading the fifth is used in court.
We've seen communications from senior figures in Washington who feared that you, a lobbyist, could destroy their careers with a snap of your fingers. Is this reputation something you've cultivated, Miss Sloan?
Upon the advice of counsel, I must respectfully decline to answer your question based on my rights under the Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution.
You see?
So number 2, the grand jury. What is the grand jury? The grand jury is basically a panel of citizens in which both lawyers and civilians can attend. Basically, they are a bunch of people who attend legal proceedings, and they are the ones who determine whether or not you would be charged with a certain crimes. And so a member of the jury is usually called a juror. A regular court trial usually has 12 jurors, but in federal cases like cases belonging to the FBI or the federal system, those juries would usually include from 13 to 26 jurors. I know, that's a lot. And in case of Hollywood movies, like movies, TV shows in general, most of them choose to deposit a grand jury as 12 members because, you know, the plot line usually goes like 6, and if the opinion is divided 6 by 6, it means that the case will be dismissed, the bad guy will get away, and the hero will get frustrated and all that, and builds tension and all that shit. That's basically the reason why Hollywood always chooses to deposit 12-member jury. Number 3, a judge. A judge is someone who is individually or as a group is in charge of legal proceedings. A judge is supposed to conduct a trial fairly, unbiasedly, and typically in an open court. And to be a judge, it is actually a very long way. First, you must have a bachelor's degree, which means you have to graduate from university. You can actually study anything in university and not necessarily pre-law, which is the thing that comes before you attend law school. And then after that, you have to get a Juris Doctorate. So you get into law school, you graduate, you get your license to become a lawyer. And after a few years of experience being a lawyer, then you can either apply or be appointed to become a judge. And of course, a judge is usually referred to as Your Honor in court. Number 3, a witness. A witness is someone who has knowledge of a certain matter. A witness is usually either forced or voluntarily giving oral or written statements about what he, she claim to know or what they actually know. Number 5, the prosecutor versus the defendant. It's really simpler if you just refer to them as Party A and Party B. Party A is the one who is accusing Party B of a certain crime. Each Party A and Party B both has their own lawyer. The lawyer of Party A is usually called the prosecutor, and the ones on Party B is usually called the defense attorney. So yeah, that's basically all 5 vocabularies that I wanted to teach you guys today. Let's do a little recap though, as to make sure you guys won't forget so easily. Number 1, pleading the fifth. Pleading the fifth means to prevent yourself of self-recrimination and to shut up when you feel like you should. Number 2 is the grand jury. The grand jury is the bunch of people that decide whether you're going to be charged with a crime or not. Number 3, the judge. The judge is usually the one sitting on the highest chair, deciding what is going on inside the courtroom. And what is true, what is wrong, what should be continued, what should be discontinued. And 4, the witness. And number 5, the prosecutor and the defendant. Like I said, it is simpler to remember them as Party B and Party A and Party B. The Party A is the one doing the accusing. Is the one accusing Party B of a certain crime. That's basically it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are interested, I'm going to be doing a sequel of this video, or maybe I can venture into other expertises such as forensics, police work, or maybe even medical, because I am actually a crime show fanatic and I do a lot of research on these kind of things, so I'll actually teach you guys some more. And so leave a comment down if you're interested, subscribe, give this video a like if you especially enjoy it. I'll see you guys next week.